how to buy .G token. So this token came under the symbol of D.O.G.E. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's in pre-sale now. What you need to do, so after you go and open their website, as you can see, this is the pre-sale website. So what you need to do is just select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Solana, and here type how much you want to buy of that Solana, as you can see. So this is how much you will be able to receive of that token .G. So as you can see, the minimum it will be the 20. So I will just switch this to like the Tether USDT, and I will just type here, as you can see. So after that, click on continue, and here just enter your email address, and now enter the Sol address, as you can see. And now, as you can see, so if you purchase outside the Solana network, please ensure you provide a valid Solana address before completing your purchase. So how to get your Solana address from your wallet? So if you use the Phantom wallet, go and open your Phantom wallet. As you can see, click on your this Solana token. As you can see, click on receive, and we'll just copy this address and just paste it here. Now provide your email. So I will just provide a fake one for just show you how to do that to buy it. So click on continue. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see this. So the payment address, as you can see, select the wallet, as you can see. So if you click on it, now just select your wallet. I will just use the Phantom wallet. So just wait a few seconds to be able to connect your wallet to the pre-sale page. So the time remaining, they give you this countdown to be able to like complete the buy process. So if you don't want to wait, just copy this address from here, the payment address. You need to send that amount to another address, as you can see. So what you need to do, just go and open your wallet that you have, that the Tether USDT. So as you can see, so what you need to do, just open your wallet. I will use the Duplicate wallet. So just click on wallet, and here, as you can see, select the Solana as a network first, and now click on send. Now select the USDT here and just paste the address, as you can see. Now enter the amount that you entered here. I will just enter 25.50. As you can see, now click on next. And now, as you can see, because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be able to complete. So after that, click on next, and you will be able to send that amount to that address in order to receive the token on your wallet. So this is how to buy .G token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.